I seriously think I just found the fastest way to build an entire AI documentary channel. And I don't mean writing a script or generating a few images. I mean going from a single video idea to a fully animated documentary with consistent characters, cinematic scenes, AI voiceovers, and professional editing, all without spending weeks creating everything manually. Over the last few months, documentary-style AI channels have quietly exploded on YouTube. Channels using cinematic storytelling instead of traditional tutorials are pulling in hundreds of thousands and sometimes millions of views. The problem is, most creators think building videos like these requires dozens of different AI tools. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I generate documentary ideas, write an entire cinematic script, create consistent characters, build every scene, animate those images, generate realistic voiceovers, add background music, and edit everything into a complete documentary ready for YouTube. By the end of this video, you'll have the exact workflow I use to create professional AI documentaries from scratch, and you can start building your own today. Every great documentary begins long before the first animation. It begins with finding a story that's impossible to ignore. Instead of chasing random ideas, I start with a research framework I've spent months refining to uncover topics built around mystery, conflict, hidden history, and genuine curiosity. Once that framework is ready, I hand it over to ChatGPT, which expands it into multiple documentary concepts, each exploring a completely different real-world story. Within seconds, I have a list of ideas ranked by their storytelling potential, giving me a strong foundation before a single frame of the documentary is ever created. Because when the story is strong from the very beginning, everything that follows becomes exponentially easier. With the documentary idea selected, the next step is transforming a simple title into a story that people genuinely want to watch. Because great documentaries aren't built from facts alone. They're built through pacing, suspense, curiosity, and knowing exactly when to reveal the next piece of information. To keep every project consistent, I use a dedicated voiceover framework I've developed specifically for documentary production. It defines everything, from the storytelling structure and emotional pacing to audience retention and narrative flow, before a single sentence is ever written. After selecting my documentary title and choosing a 10-minute runtime, I copy the entire framework and move over to ChatArt Pro. What I like about ChatArt Pro is that it brings multiple AI models into one workspace. So instead of constantly switching between different platforms, I can manage the entire writing process from a single interface. For script writing, I head into Agent and choose Claw, ChatArt Pro's advanced writing assistant. Rather than giving it a simple one-line prompt, I'm providing it with an entire production framework that teaches the AI exactly how this documentary should be written, from the opening hook and pacing to curiosity loops, emotional beats, and the final payoff. This gives the model far more context than a typical prompt, allowing it to produce narration that follows a consistent documentary structure instead of sounding like generic AI text. Within moments, Claw transforms a single documentary title into a complete production-ready voiceover. Every section is already structured to build tension, maintain viewer curiosity, and naturally guide the audience from one reveal to the next. And because the narration already follows the storytelling framework I use for every documentary, I can spend less time rewriting scripts and more time focusing on what really brings these stories to life: the visuals. With the documentary script finished, the next challenge is keeping every recurring character visually consistent. Without a proper reference sheet, AI can generate different faces, clothing, and proportions in every scene, making the documentary feel disconnected. To solve that, I copy the completed narration and move into my character sheet generator, where the entire script is transformed into a detailed character reference framework, covering every important person in the story. Once that's ready, I head back to ChatArt, paste the framework. Instead of manually describing every character, Claw analyzes the script and generates a complete production-ready character sheet prompt with detailed appearances, clothing, expressions, materials, lighting, and cinematic styling. And here's what I like about this workflow. I don't need to copy this prompt into Gemini or any other image generator because ChatArt Pro already has image generation built directly into the platform. I simply copy the completed character prompt, open Image Studio, choose text to image, and ChatArt Pro gives me multiple generation models to choose from, including Art 5.0, GPT Image 2, Nano Banana, and Seedream. For this documentary, I'm using GPT Image 2. After pasting the prompt, I set the image ratio to 16:9, the resolution to 2K, and keep the quality on medium to save credits, while still getting excellent results. A few moments later, ChatArt Pro generates a cinematic AAA quality character reference board with consistent consistent proportions, multiple viewing angles, realistic materials, and production-ready designs that become the visual blueprint for every image and every scene throughout the documentary. With the script and character references complete, it's finally time to start visualizing the documentary. But before generating a single image, I need a detailed production blueprint that keeps every shot, character, and environment perfectly consistent. I begin by copying the completed documentary script, then head over to my cinematic image and animation generator. Along with the narration, I also paste the complete character reference sheet, giving the AI everything it needs to maintain visual continuity throughout the entire film. Once the framework is ready, I copy the entire prompt and bring it into Google Gemini. Instead of generating random image prompts, Gemini automatically breaks the documentary into cinematic scenes, complete with production-ready image prompts, camera directions, and animation instructions for every 6-second sequence. The result is a complete visual storyboard where every scene is already planned before generating a single frame, making the entire production process faster, more consistent, and far more cinematic. With the storyboard complete, it's finally time to bring every scene of the documentary to life. Since we've already created a dedicated character reference board, I can use it as a visual guide to keep every character consistent throughout the entire film. I start by copying the first cinematic image prompt, then head back to ChatArt Pro. Inside Image Studio, I select Image to Image, choose GPT Image 2, and upload the character reference board as my reference image. This gives the model a visual foundation, helping it preserve the same faces, clothing, proportions, and overall style across every generated scene. After pasting the prompt, I keep the canvas set to 16:9, the resolution at 2K, and the image quality on medium to balance visual quality with credit usage. Then I simply hit generate. Within moments, ChatArt Pro transforms the storyboard prompt into a cinematic documentary frame. In this opening shot, Joe Pistone sits inside a dimly lit FBI office surrounded by investigation files, a vintage rotary phone, and his undercover identity as Donnie Brasco. The warm practical lighting, realistic materials, and production-ready composition immediately establish the tone of the documentary. From here, the workflow becomes incredibly simple. I copy the next image prompt, keep all the same settings, and generate the next scene. By repeating this exact process for every storyboard prompt, I can quickly build a complete collection of consistent, cinematic images that are ready to be animated in the next stage of production. Now it's time to turn these cinematic images into fully animated documentary shots. Since ChatArt Pro includes built-in image-to-video generation, there's no need to switch to another platform. I simply copy the first animation prompt generated by Gemini, then open the first image inside ChatArt Pro and click Image to Video. The image is automatically imported, so I can start animating immediately. ChatArt Pro offers multiple video generation models, including Cadence 2.0, Cadence 2.0 Fast, Cadence 2.0 Mini, Minimax H3, and Video. For this documentary, I'm using Cadence 2.0 4K because it delivers excellent cinematic quality while maintaining strong consistency with the reference image. Next, I paste the animation prompt generated by Gemini. This prompt doesn't recreate the scene. It simply tells the model how the camera and environment should move. I leave the duration at 6 seconds, set the output to 1080p in 16:9, and click Generate. Within a few moments, ChatArt Pro transforms the static image into a smooth, cinematic video clip with natural camera motion, realistic environmental movement, and consistent character details. In this shot, the camera slowly dollies toward Joe Pistone, while subtle atmospheric smoke drifts across the room, and Joe gently shifts his gaze toward the camera, creating a realistic, documentary-style movement instead of exaggerated AI animation. From here, the workflow becomes incredibly simple. I keep the Cadence 2.0 4K model selected and repeat the exact same process for every remaining scene. I copy the next animation prompt generated by Gemini, paste it into ChatArt Pro, keep all the settings unchanged, and click Generate. Because every image was created using the same character reference board, each animated shot maintains consistent characters, environments, and cinematic quality throughout the documentary. There's no need to tweak settings or rebuild scenes from scratch. Within a short time, every storyboard image is transformed into a smooth, 6-second cinematic sequence. Once all the clips are finished, they're ready to be imported into your video editor. Before we jump into editing, we need the documentary voiceover. Simply copy the complete script generated by ChatArt Pro, then head over to 11 Labs and choose a voice that matches the style of your documentary and paste the script into the speech editor. Next, make a few adjustments to the voice settings for a more natural, cinematic delivery. Once everything looks good, click Generate. Within seconds, 11 Labs produces a realistic, studio-quality narration with natural pacing and emotion. Finally, download the voiceover, and now all your production assets, from images and animations to the narration, animation are ready for the final edit. Now, it's time to put everything together. Open your favorite video editor and import all the generated video clips, along with the voiceover, onto the timeline. Arrange every clip in sequence, then align each shot so it matches the narration perfectly. If you're ever unsure which clip belongs to a specific part of the script, simply head back to Gemini and check the script line for that scene. Since every image and animation was generated from those exact script lines, matching each clip to the voiceover becomes quick and effortless. To make your documentary feel even more cinematic, you can also generate AI background music directly inside ChatArt Pro. Just open the music section, where you'll find AI music powered by Art Music Vision 5.5. Generate a track that matches the mood of your documentary, download it, and place it underneath your narration. Keep the music subtle so it enhances the story without overpowering the voiceover. Once that's done, generate captions inside your editor. Add smooth transitions like fade in, fade out, and mix, then make a few final adjustments to the pacing. And just like that, your AI-generated documentary is complete and ready to publish. And that's the complete workflow, from a single documentary idea to a fully animated AI documentary using ChatArt Pro and a few powerful AI tools. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Lucas AI, and turn on notifications, because I upload in-depth AI workflows, automation tutorials, and creator tools every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
For 23 years, FBI agent Joe Pistone lived a lie. His name was Donnie Brasco, and the Mafia trusted him with everything. In the late 1970s, the American Mafia controlled neighborhoods, unions, and businesses across the country. The FBI had tried for decades to break into their inner circle. Informants got killed, agents got burned. Nobody lasted long enough to do real damage. Then Pistone walked into a New York bar, posed as a small-team jewel thief, and waited. The family he targeted, the Bonanno crime family, was one of the 5 most powerful criminal organizations in the country. To get close, he had to prove himself. He had to steal. He had to lie to men who could smell deception for a living. And he had to do it for years without ever slipping. He made friends with low-level wise guys. He learned their slang. He drank with them. He mourned with them. Slowly, he climbed.